ready? Yes, students. Are you ready? Yes. Dear students, welcome to the series of IIT JEE Mains 2026. Yes, students, am I audible? Yes. Hello students. Hi students. Welcome to the series of IIT JEE Mains 2026 Phase 2 Question Paper Analysis. Dear students, today we are going to solve 6th April 2026 Morning Shift 1 Question Paper of Chemistry, Physics and Mathematics. Dear students, these questions are based on memory based questions, and answers are given for these memory based question answers. Let us see the question paper. Yes students, as you know, this exam is for 3 hours. The time duration of this exam is 3 hours, and there will be 75 questions, and the maximum marks for this exam is 75 into 4 marks. It is going to be 300 marks. Let us see the question paper. Yes students, Chemistry question paper of JEE Mains 2026 Phase 2, that is 6th April 2026 Morning Shift 1. Dear students, let us see the question paper. Section A. Dear students, Section A contains 20 multiple choice questions. For all these 20 multiple choice questions, you will have, each question will have 4 options. Option 1, 2, 3 and 4, out of which only one is going to be correct. For correct option, you are going to get plus 4 marks. If you make wrong answer, you are going to lose minus 1 mark. Yes students, let us see the questions. Yes, question number 1. Consider the reaction. This is phenol. How much they have taken? 4.7 grams. Upon reaction with zinc dust, it is giving benzene. Yes, so phenol upon reaction with zinc dust, reduction is taking place to give benzene. Find the number of moles of P. This is P students, product formed. So if 100%, how much it should give? Less than 4.7 grams. But the moles, what they are asking, if yield of reaction is 60%, then how many moles it gives? Number of moles of product, dear students. So 4.7 grams, how many moles? Yes, starting material is taken as 4.7 grams by 94. It is how many moles? It is nothing but, yes, how much it is going to give? 4.7, yes, 4.7, 9.4, yes. So 0.1 point, how much it is? Okay, 4.7, yes, 4.7 into 2, right? So 2 to the point, yes, 2 to the point, 2 3 the 6, 2 5 the, right? So how much it is? 2 4 the 8, 2 7 the, right? So how much it is? Yes. So if they are taking point 0.94, no, it is 1 millimole. Yes, 0.5 moles. Right? So 0.05 moles they are taking. So 0.05 moles, and now what is the percentage of yield they are getting? 0.6%. So how much you are going to get? So it is nothing but 0.03. 5 6 ja, yes, 3 30. 0.03 moles. Which one is showing 0.03? Yes, option 3. It is correct, student. Dear students, so if it gives 100% yield, it must be 0.05 moles. But how much it is giving? Only 60%, right? 60% means 5 6 are 30. So straight away you can calculate this yield also. Let us see next question. Given below are two statements. What are they? Statement 1, which is 5-membered ring ketone, and this is 6-membered ketone or metamer. Dear students, so how many carbons are there? 1 2 3 1 2 1 2, right? So this side 1, this side 2, this side 3, this side 2. But what is the molecular formula of these two? So this is 5-membered ring, this is 6-membered ring. So metamers must be chemically equivalent, means they must be same number of carbons and same number of molecules, oxygen. But here one carbon is more, so these two are not going to be metamers. So statement 2 will show tautomerism. So ketone upon tautomerism. For tautomerism, there must be one alpha hydrogen. Here or here, there should be one alpha hydrogen. Then only it can give tautomer of this keto-enol tautomerism. But there is no hydrogen, so will show tautomerism. Statement 2 also is wrong. Statement 1 also is wrong. So in light of above statement, choose correct option. What they are given? Yes, correct. Incorrect. What is incorrect? Statement 1 and 2 are incorrect, because statement 1 is incorrect because molecular formula is not same, right? One is showing 5-membered ring, other one is 6-membered ring. Statement 2 is incorrect because alpha hydrogen is essential to show tautomerism. So there is no alpha hydrogen in second compound. So statement 2 also is not correct. Next, question number 3. Match list 1 with list 1 contain d electronic configuration of tetrahedral complex with their crystal field stabilization energy value in list 2. So what it is? So D2 is minus 1.2, right? So D4 should be yes minus 0.4, and D6 yes minus 0.6, and D5 yes it is 0. So which is showing this? Yes, option 1 is correct option, student. Next, yes students, this is straight away they are asking vitamin. Wow, match the following. Vitamin A, straight away. What is vitamin A? Xerophthalmia, night blindness. Vitamin C, scurvy, right? Vitamin B6, convulsion. Convulsion means fits, right? So fits also. Convulsion is nothing but fits, right? Faint. So the patient will fall down. So with twisting their hand, right? So convulsion is nothing but fits. So B6 deficiency causes fits or convulsions. B12, pernicious anemia. So B12 anemia is very common. So vitamin B12 is very important for girls especially, right? So pernicious anemia, B12. So A4, right? This is P4, right? P4, U1, R2, S3, right? So option 3 is correct option, students, right? What will be the empirical formula of compound if compound has 69.9% iron and rest is oxygen? 69.9%. So it is straight away you can calculate also, or you can choose this Fe2O3. How much it is having? Roughly 70%, right? So the ratio you can calculate from these solution. So it is nothing but 60%, right? Molar ratio of oxygen is 1.88 by 1.25. It is how much it is showing? 69.9% means 70%. It is 30, right? So it is 31.5, right? Next, question number 6. 3-phenyl propene will react with HBr and give an alkyl halide. Major product having one chiral carbon atom. Yes, it is correct. Aryl chloride and aryl cyanide both can be formed Gattermann and Sandmeyer reaction. Yes, aryl chloride can be prepared and cyanide also can be prepared by Gattermann and Sandmeyer reaction. Right? Is it so? Right. So phenyl propene. Propene what it will give? HBr. Yes, usually it should give H plus comes here and Br comes here. But there is a chance of getting rearrangement where this hydrogen rearranges here to give positive charge at this place. That is benzylic carbocation is more stable. So this benzylic carbocation picks up the bromide ion to give this chiral carbon containing. Here only chiral center is possible. This side it is ethyl, right? This is one is bromine, this is phenyl, and this side it is hydrogen, right? So what is it is? So four groups are different. So this carbon is chiral carbon. If the bromination takes place at this place, what is this? Yes, this side one, yes, bromine, and this side there will be one hydrogen and methyl, ethyl. Here also chiral carbon is possible. There is no chance. There is no need of this thing. So straight away this side, yes, hydrogen takes up here methyl, and here also it gives chiral center. Right? Next, if the wavelength of first line of Lyman series per so what is the answer? Yes, both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Option 3 is correct, friends. Next, question number 7. If the wavelength of first line of Lyman series per hydrogen atom is x angstroms, then the longest wavelength in Balmer series of a helium plus ion will be option 2. 27x by 20 is correct option, students. Lambda, you will get lambda 27 into by 20. Right. Next question number 8. Which of the following can be used to form methane gas? So what happens? Cold electrolysis, no. From methyl magnesium bromide, yes. By Wood's reaction, no. Wood fatigue or whatever, yes. By reduction of ethyl chloride, reduction gives ethane, but they are asking methane. So the correct option is methyl magnesium bromide. What happens? So here H3O means H plus, right? So this side OH minus, OH minus. So straight away this methyl magnesium bromide is nothing but methyl anion, right? Methyl anion, that is minus, and magnesium plus, right? This magnesium takes up this hydroxy group and methyl group takes up this H plus proton to give methane gas. So option 2 is correct option, students. Next, yes, match list 1 with list 2 and choose the correct option. Right. So what it is? 2s gives what? 1 radial node plus 0 angular node. 3s gives, so straight away they are given 2 radial node plus 0 angular node. 3b 1 radial node plus 1 angular node. 3d 0 radial node plus 2 angular node. So straight away option 1 is correct option. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Next, arrange the given compounds in increasing order of boiling points. So amines and alcohols. Among these two, which one is going to have higher boiling point? Nitrogen is lower number, atomic number is nitrogen. So what is the difference here? Nitrogen is going to have lower atomic number, so oxygen. So alcohol is going to have high boiling point. So 4 will be having more boiling point, followed by the same number C4H9, C4H9. So right, so there must be 1. Then among these isomeric and this is iso, right, diethylamine, ethyl dimethylamine, right? So this thing, and 2 will have less, means 2 diethylamine will have greater boiling point compared to this dimethyl, right? So here it is 3. So option 3 is going to have the correct, students. Yes, students, alcohols are going to have higher boiling point and amines among amines. So straight chain amines are going to have higher boiling point compared to branched chain amines. So among these three amines, this is one high boiling point, then followed by this high boiling point, followed by this high boiling point. So option 3 is correct option, friends. Boiling points are given here in Kelvin degree set, in Kelvin scale. Next, question number 11. 0.25 moles of a non-volatile and non-ionizable compound is mixed with 1 mole of solvent. Find the percentage relative lowering vapor pressure. So option 1, 20% is correct option, students. Please go through the solution what I have given here. Next, consider the Lewis dot structure in following pair. So what they are asking, choose pair which have same structure. Right, so C and D only. What are you? C and D, ammonia, H3O plus, right? And the C and D, Cn minus and CO. What are the structures? Yes, both C and D only. Consider Lewis dot structure in following. C and D. C and D only. Oh, right. So C and D only. Right. Option 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 13. Find the limiting molar conductivity of barium sulfate. So option 1 is correct option, students. Next, yes, consider the following reaction. So alcohol upon reaction with copper gives ketone. Oxidation will take place. Ketone, right? So alcohol, this is isopropyl alcohol, students. Alcohol upon reaction with acetic acid in presence of H plus, esterification takes place. This is nothing but this O and this minus water, CO, and this is methyl group. Ester of isopropyl group you will get compound P and QR respectively. So ketone, this is acetone, and acetyl ester of isopropyl ether, isopropanol. So yes, so which is showing this one. Option 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 15. Consider the following statement. Aluminum is more reducing in nature than tellurium. Yes, correct. Statement 2. First 3 ionization enthalpy of B are high, so it forms covalent compound. Yes, so statement 1 and 2 are both are correct, students. So option 1 is correct, students. Next, question number 16. 2-methyl propene is added into a solvent, mixture of ethyl acetate and ether, and the RF value of is found to be 0.42. So RF value, if they are asking, like this is TLC plate, let us say TLC plate. So when you run the TLC or thin layer chromatography, so RF means the spot what you put here downside will move forward on this plate. So off, very, if you make off this plate into off, so RF, rate of flow, if this spot moves up to here, it is said to be 0.5 RF, right? So 0.5 RF. What is RF of this starting material? 0.42. 0.42 means it is coming around here, 0.42. So this is 0.42, right? This is 0.42 RF, rate of flow. If the same 2-methyl propene is this, 2-methyl propene is reacted with dilute sulfuric acid. So 2-methyl propene, if you run in PLC system, mixture of ethyl acetate and ether, right? So this 2-methyl propene moves up to 0.42 and the RF value is found to be 0.42. If the same 2-methyl propene is reacted with dilute sulfuric acid, the major product obtained is X. Find the value of X. So straight away what they are asking. So 0.12 means what they are going to get? Tertiary butanol. 2-methylpropene is a non-polar hydrocarbon. When reacted with diluted by polar alcohol due to presence of the hydroxy group, which allows for hydrogen bonding with solvent. So polar alcohol will have lower RF value than a non-polar alkene. For 2-methylpropene RF value showed to be less than 0.42. So 0.42. What we are going to get here? Alcohol is not given. Here OH, tertiary butanol, right? So this alcohol compared to this propene, so among these, this is 0.42, 0.65 means around here, right? 0.65, right? So 0.84 means around here. So this highest rate is 10, this comes to be 1.0 or 100, right? So this is 0.84. When it comes to 0.12, it is down, just this is 1 and this side, just above the spot. So 0.12. Since when you compare these two compounds, this is hydroxy group is polar group, right, compared to this alkene. So this tertiary butanol RF will be less than this alkene because of hydrogen bonding. So option 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 17. The correct order of magnitude of work done in the following cases for some volume change and pressure change as mentioned. Option 1 is correct option, students. Next, solution is given. Please go through for detailed understanding. Next, question number 18. Helium is mixed with a gas A in equimolar ratio at pressure P. Total volume is 10 liters at 300 K. The partial pressure of helium A and B at equilibrium is respectively. Option 1, 0.5 P, 0.1 P and 0.4 P is correct option, students. So detailed solution is given here. Please go through. Yes, students. Next, question number 19. Match compounds in column 1 with column 2. Yes, students. So this also straight away. Lysine, what test it will give? Yes, Hinsberg test, right? Glutamine, Hoffman bromide, Hoffman bromide reaction, glutamic acid, glutamine, serine. Oh, seric ammonium nitrate, tyrosine is neutral ferric chloride test. So option 1 is correct option, students. So tyrosine will have phenolic OH, right? Tyrosine will have phenolic OH. It will be given by, tyrosine is given by neutral ferric chloride test, and serine ferric ammonium nitrate test is oxidizes this alcohol, and glutamine starting Hoffman bromide reaction. This amide undergoes Hoffman bromide rearrangement, right? So lysine Hinsberg test, right? So this is primary amine, secondary amine and tertiary amine, Hinsberg test, color test, right, students? Next, question number 20. Choose the correct option of order of energy for square planar complex. Option 1 is correct option, students. Next, dear students, section B of chemistry JEE Main 2026 phase 2 6 April shift 1 question paper. As usual, section B contains plus 5 questions of numerical answer based questions. That means the answer must be a numerical number. There will be no options to choose, right, friends? So you have to enter the number only. To enter the number or to answer these questions, you will have a virtual keyboard on your screen while writing this exam. Using that virtual keyboard, you have to enter the answer. That answer must be a number, and you can round it off to the nearest integer also. So you have to solve these 5 questions of this section. Yes, let us see question number 21. Sucrose hydrolysis in acidic medium to form glucose and fructose, which follows first order kinetics. If the half-life of sucrose is 3 hours, the percentage of sucrose left after 6 hours. So 3 hours 50, 6 hours 25, right? So 50% from 50, again there will be 25%. So total 25% will be left over. So answer is 25. Find the reaction. A gas gives rise to B plus C gases. Consider the data. Data is given. Calculate the value of delta H by 2.303 R ln K based on above data. Answer is 100. Yes friends, enter 100 number. Dear students, as I said, this question paper is based on memory based questions, right? Some of the questions were not obtained, so question number 23, 24, 25 are kept blank. Let us see next question paper of JEE Mains 2026, April 6th morning session paper, that is physics. Yes students, section A. Yes, as usual, section A contains 20 multiple choice questions, and these multiple choice questions will have options of 1, 2, 3 and 4, out of which only one option is going to be correct answer, and if you choose the correct answer, you are going to get plus 4 marks. If you choose wrong answer, you are going to lose minus 1 mark for these 20 multiple choice questions. Let us see the questions. Question number 1. In AC series circuit, supply voltage V RMS equal to 100 volts and R equal to 80 ohms and XL equal to 80 ohms and source frequency is F equal to 50 Hz. Find the power factor. Option 1 is correct option, students. 1 by root 2. Yes. Next, question number 2. An expression of potential energy is given, then dimensions of A and B will be, X is position here, right? The option 3 is correct option, students. Next, question number 3. A block of mass M is released from height h on smooth plane if normal force on top of the circular part is 3 mg. Find h, right? Find h. What is the answer? Yes, it is option 2. 4R is correct option, students. Solution is given here. Please go through the detailed solution. Next, question number 4. Electric field at center of semicircular ring of radius 10 centimeters is 100 V by M. Find charge on the ring if charge distribution is uniform. Option 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 5. A point charge particle Q equal to 3C is placed at point A 0, -2, -5 and taken to point B 2, 1, 3 in the electric field. Find work done by electric field. Option 2 is correct option, students. That is 135 joule. Next, question number 6. Unpolarized light with intensity I0 incident on polarizer. Find angle between axis of polarizer and analyzer so that intensity of emergent light is, so option 4 is correct option, students. 30 degrees, right? Next, question number 7. Find the least value of mu such that system move together without slipping. Option 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 8. A small cubical region of side 1 mm is placed at the center of current I equal to 1A carrying circular loop of radius A equal to 1 meter. Find magnetic energy stored in the cube. Option 2 is correct option, students. Next, question number 9. A spherical refracting surface separating the media with refractive index N1 equal to 1 and N2 equal to 1.4 as shown. Object is placed at 4R from surface and R is curvature radius as shown, right? Option 1 is find magnitude of magnification. Option 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 10. Ratio of wavelengths of first and second line of Balmer series in hydrogen atom spectra is 20 by 27. Option 3 is correct option, students. Next, question number 11. Power drawn by resistance 1 k ohms is 4 MW. Find value of RS. Here answer is 4, students. That is 750. Next, question number 12. Two wires A and B of same area are subject to equal tensile forces gets elongated by same amount. The ratio of Young's Modulus of two material is Ya by Yb equal to 20 by 11. Find the ratio of lengths of the wire. Right? So the answer is 20 by 11 is correct option, students. Same. Next. Question number 13. In YDSC, path difference for 2 points P and Q are lambda by 3 and lambda by 6 respectively. Ratio of intensities at P and Q are yes 1 by 3. Right? Isn't it? Right. Next. Question number 14. A 1 mole sample of gas undergoes an isothermal process in which volume changes from 3 liters to 1 liter. Find work done on the gas if initial pressure was 3 into 10 to the 7 Pascal. So option 4 is correct option, students. Next, question number 15. A solid uniform sphere of mass m and radius are initially rotating with angular speed of 2000 rotations per minute. If it stops in 10 seconds when subjected to some constant retarding torque, then find number of revolutions and magnitude of torque. Question number 15. Answer 3. That is option 3 is correct option, students. Next. Question number 16. Consider nuclear reaction. Yes. So phosphorus plus 7 by 3 lithium gives rise to what it is? Okay. No, it is proton. Right? Positron. Right. It is 2 heliums. Right? 248. Yes. So energy absorbed in the process is 14 million electron volts. Option 1 is correct option, students. Next. Question number 17. Shortest wavelength of Lyman series is lambda 0. Longest wavelength of Bowman series is lambda. Find value of lambda by lambda 0. Option 1 36 by 5 is correct option, students. Next. Yes, students, as I said, this is memory based question paper. Some questions were not obtained. So question number 18, 19, 20 are kept blank. Next. Section B. Dear students, this section B contains 5 numerical based questions. Yes, you have to answer these questions using only numbers. Right. Next, question number 21. Time period of SHMS of a particle is 16 seconds. Find minimum time to move from x equal to a to x equal to a by root 2. Answer is 2. You have to enter number 2. Solution is given here. 2 seconds. Time is going to be 2 seconds. Next, question number 22. Mass and radius of a solid sphere is measured with uncertainty of 1% and 2% respectively. Uncertainty in percentile in calculation of density is, answer is 7, students. So solution is given here. So straight away you can enter 7. Answer is 7. Number 7. Heat dissipation in 6 volts resistance in 54 seconds is alpha by 9. Then alpha is, yes, it is 169. How? Yes, answer is given here, students. Right. A mass of m equal to 1 kg starts falling with 0 initial speed. By the time it falls, a height of h equal to 10 meters, its velocity becomes 10 meters per second. Find the magnitude of work done in joule by resistive force. The answer is 50. It is, you can straight away calculate this 50. Right? So 50 joules you are going to get, students. Right? So yes, students, question number 25 is not obtained, so that is why question number 25 of physics is kept blank. Let us see mathematics of JEE Mains 2026 April 6th shift 1, that is morning session paper. Let us see mathematics. Yes, students, section A contains 20 multiple choice questions. Each question will have 4 options, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4 options, out of which only one option is going to be correct. For correct option, if you choose the correct option, you are going to get plus 4 marks. If you choose wrong answer, you are going to lose minus 1 mark. Let us see the questions. Yes, question number 1. Option 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 2. Option 1 is correct option, students. question number 3. Correct option is 2. Next, dear students, please go through the detailed solutions. Next, question number 4, option 2. Next, question number 5, option 1. Question number 6, option 1 is correct option, students. Next, question number 7, option 3. Question number 8, option 2. Question number 9, option 1 is correct option, students. Question number 10, option 4 is correct option, students. Question number 11, option 3 is correct option, students. Question number 12, option 2 is correct option, students. Question number 13, option 2 is correct option, students. Question number 14, option 1 is correct option, students. Question number 15, option 3 is correct option, students. Question number 16, option 2 is correct option, students. Yes, students, this is based on memory based question paper, so some of the questions were not obtained, so that is why question number 17 to 20 are kept blank. Let us see section B of Mathematics JEE Mains 2026 6th April morning shift question paper. Dear students, section B contains 5 numerical based questions. That means the answer must be a numerical number. You have to enter the number only. There will be no options are given for these 5 questions. Yes, students, let us see the questions section. Let us see the section B, question number 21. Yes, answer is 3. No need to write 0. Yes. Next, question number 22. 3. Straight away you will get 3. Right. So question number 22. Answer is 9. Equal to 9. So how will you get? So please go through the detailed solution is here. Yes, friends, some of the questions were not obtained, so that is why question number 26, 24, 25 are kept blank. Yes, students, thank you, students. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel Venus Academy if you are not yet subscribed, and don't forget to click on like button and bell button. We will meet again with another question paper of JEE Mains. Till then, bye, take rest, and all the best for the next